When we're selecting certain features from GIS data, we can use set algebra. With set algebra, we're using things like less than, equal to, greater than, etc. So here we can see a list of those. We have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and then the greater than and less than symbol back to back is not equal to. So let's look at some examples here. In this example here, we see counties for the northeastern United States, and we could select all those counties so that the state equals Vermont. In other words, just select the counties in the state of Vermont, and the counties that are shown in gray here would be the ones that are selected. In this example here, we can still use that nominal, the name of the state. Here we're selecting states not equal to New York, so that we can see that all of these states in the northeastern United States have been selected, except for the counties associated with New York State, the counties that fall within New York State. In both those cases, we're using a nominal, the name of the state, in order to select, but we can also use interval or ratio numbers in order to select, and that's where the greater than or the greater than and equal to or the less than comes into play. So here we're selecting counties that have an area greater than or equal to 1,000 square miles. And we can see clearly, right, all of the bigger counties have been selected here, and none of the smaller counties have been selected, like these in Connecticut and Rhode Island. And we can see, if we look at an area here, these are pretty close to being the same size, but this one must just be over 1,000 square kilometers, and that one must just be under 1,000 square kilometers. Something that's not so apparent from the map pattern is that we might want to select areas where the population density is less than 250 people per square mile. And we can see here that a lot of the less populated states, especially up towards the Canadian border, are not very densely populated. But states in the Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts area are densely populated, as well as the surrounding area of New York and Long Island here. So in this case, we're using a less than number of people per square meter, and we're using that interval ratio attribute in the table in order to make that selection.